Mountain. He can climb the mountain. Cave. Cave. The cave is big. Beach. I like to go swimming at the beach. Island. The island is large and green. What can you do at the beach? I can swim at the beach. Linda, where are you? Oh, I am at the beach. Really? Great. What can you do at the beach? Well, I can swim and fly a kite. Bud. Bud. Mud. Mud.
Hello. My name's Linda. Let me tell you about our wonderful nature. This is the blue sky. There are many beautiful stars in the sky. This is a big forest. There are many happy animals and green trees in the forest. This is a big blue beach. Many people play and swim at the beach. This is a long river. Many fish live in the river.
This is a high mountain. I want to climb the mountain one day.